Crack your wheel nuts, loosen them all off. Not removing them at this stage, just loosening them off. Chock your front wheels, jack the back of the car up. Put your side stands in under. Lower the car onto the side stands. Spin the wheel nuts you've already loosened right off. So you can remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. Once the wheel's removed, we're looking for a small hole. There it is. There's a little wheel.
So you've got to rotate it till you find it.
Yeah, turn it around.
To get to that point, you've got to rotate it around. So you can find that little toothed wheel that's inside there at the lower point.
I think it's right there. So which way are we going, John, you reckon? Which way would we do the other one?
We went down. So
I reckon it's
going up on this one.
Yeah.
As you're adjusting it, you're checking that the rotor can spin, making sure it's not too tight. We found it tightening it right up so that the wheel can't spin, and then backing it off a few turns. That way you know it's nice and tight, but you know it's not too tight, so you can reduce some of that friction. You don't want too much friction on there. You want it so that it can spin freely. So check that it spins freely. Check the handbrake.
Three clicks.
So after you've done both sides and you've checked the handbrake, checking that they spin freely, replace the wheels. We found the best jack point was right there on the diff in front of the exhaust hangers. So now lower the car back down. Go around and check your wheel nuts. Tighten up the wheel nuts, checking it carefully that they're all nice and tight. And that's it, job's done then. Like and subscribe.